In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a button element in Webflow effortlessly. Whether you're new to Webflow or just looking for a refresher, this guide will take you through the process step by step, ensuring your button is perfectly centered in no time. We'll start by opening Webflow to access your project. Once you're in, you'll want to make sure you're on the specific page where you wish to add your button. With your workspace ready, it's time to add the button element. Navigate to the top left section where you'll find the Add Elements option. Click on it to open a panel of different elements you can drag into your workspace. Look for the button element and click to select it. As you drag it onto your page, you'll notice that the button stays at the side. Don't worry if it's not centered yet. This is completely normal at this point. To ensure a more flexible layout, the next step involves adding a container. Return to the Add Elements menu and this time, select the container element. Simply drag this container into the section where you'd like your button to be featured. Think of the container as a helpful framework that will allow you to control your button's alignment more precisely. Once you have your container in place, head back to Add Elements again and drag the button element inside this container. By embedding your button within the container, you gain more control over its positioning, which is crucial for the next step. Now that the button is nested within the container, direct your attention to the right side of your Webflow interface. This is where you'll find a set of styling options. Scroll down in this panel until you reach the typography section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Align Center. This is the key to centering your button. Clicking this will adjust the horizontal positioning of the button, aligning it perfectly within the container. And there you have it. Your button should now be centered within your container, ready to be styled and customized as you wish. Handling elements through containers in Webflow provides a flexible and visually appealing layout, allowing your designs to look clean and professional. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope this guide has made the process of centering button elements in Webflow clear and straightforward. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Webflow projects. Happy designing!